Bullish stepn cost expectations range somewhere in the range of $1.31 and $2.48 by 2030. Market examiners accept GMT could reach $1.02 by 2025. Bearish stepn market cost expectation for 2023 is 23 cents. stepn presentation. As we probably are aware, this video is about stepn cost forecast. On the whole, we should view the essential presentation of this money in the event that you need a decent profit from your beneficial venture from it. stepn, the main NFT drive in view of the transition to procure idea, is a solid way of life application with social money and play to acquire perspectives. Jerry Huang and Yan Rong, two Australian programming engineers, helped to establish stepn in August 2021. stepn won the 2021 Solana Start Hacking contest prior to getting a $5 million financing round from private value behemoth Sequoia Capital. The green metaverse token, the stepn's administration token, was made accessible on Solana in WAC 2022. Holders of GMT can recommend and settle on project progressions and depository appropriation. Prior to making a stepn cost, we inspect what is GMT. What's more, stepn specialized in crucial investigation? How about we check it out? What is stepn? stepn is a Web3 move to procure portable application with parts for social and gaming finance. Find Satoshi Lab, an Australian fintech studio, is the gathering behind stepn. The venture chips away at the Solana blockchain, and its center thought relies upon moving around, which is the vast majority's regular movement. At the 2021 Solana Start Hackathon, stepn wrapped the second place and was the primary venture to incorporate the move to acquire idea practically. The objective of the game part of stepn is to urge a large number of clients to take on a better way of life, battle environmental change, and abstain from driving high-emission cars. Then again, the social money part of stepn intends to foster a stage that advances client-produced Web3 content. stepn specialized investigation. The stepn token's value forecast is undeniably founded on a point-by-point assessment of its value diagram and specialized examination, taking into account both the ongoing cost and verifiable patterns of the digital currency. While analyzing the pattern lines, the costs have transcended the 200 MAMA line. The vertical estimated pattern line in the specialized examination is the most probable pattern after such a breakout, with the GMT value starting and market cap to challenge its new obstruction levels. These examinations are energetic regardless of whether there is a common feeling of a bear market that could saturate the crypto business. The stepn cash and the typical cost are supposed to recuperate significantly more quickly than the generally crypto market cap, giving financial backers huge additions on both short and long-haul property. Moreover, you should decide the kind of help and opposition levels that stepn cost gauge experiences to make arrangements for its future. The level obstruction can be recognized by how frequently the GMT esteem rises and falls during a vertical push. stepn key examination brokers utilize specialized investigation to zero in on a resource's presentation, habitually down to the moment on exchanging outlines, though crucial exploration does the specific converse. Exchanges are zoomed out. This gives them a thorough information and comprehension of the resource and the association that upholds it. The genuine worth of a resource is what essential examination expects to distinguish. For instance, by considering various interior and outer standards, you might decide if a digital money is overrated. You have without a doubt heard the maxim, put resources into individuals, not items. This citation basically catches the primary thought of the essential investigation. Financial backers that stick to principal examination contend that the fundamental indicator of a resource's future exhibition is the organization's solidarity. For financial backers looking to buy reasonable resources, this is a superb strategy. There are many offers for GMT according to verifiable information. The offer is improved in light of the fact that it isn't covered. The whole mining biological system knows about the advantages of keeping up with the organization. There is no race to get to an affirmed hard cap at this moment. Possibilities for the web are balanced out accordingly. Along these lines, the worth of stepn can increment, further guaranteeing biological system development. More stepn can be acquired to keep the environment working accurately. stepn use is supposed to develop yearly, raising the money's worth. stepn current cost. stepn is right now worth 29 cents USD. GMT has moved 6.41% as of now with an exchanging volume of $27,750,463. stepn is right now positioned 141 among all digital forms of money with a market capitalization of $218,539,979 USD. Using the overall strength list, moving weighted normal, Williams fractal and moving normal combination difference from the outline above, we can decide cost designs for STEPN to conclude whether having a bullish or negative year is going. Our cost expectation conjectures utilize constant STEPN market information, and all information is refreshed live on our site. This permits us to give dynamic cost forecasts in light of current market movement. STEPN Value Expectation 2023 STEPN, from certain perspectives, is one of the most astonishing digital currencies to rise this year. The GMT cost figure for 2023 expects a critical expansion in the year's final part, perhaps coming to 43 cents. Likewise with other digital currencies, the ascent will be continuous, yet no impressive drops are normal. Averaging 40 cents in cost is very aggressive. However, it is achievable soon given expected coordinated efforts and progressions. GMT is supposed to have a base worth of 35 cents. STEPN Value Expectation 2024 out of 2024. STEPN GMT cost expectation has a lot of space for extension. Because of the possible declarations of various new organizations and drives, we guess that the cost of GMT will before long outperform 72 cents. Nonetheless, we ought to stand by to check whether the GMT's overall strength record emerges from the oversold zone prior to putting down any bullish wagers. Taking into account the market instability, GMT will exchange with a base exchanging cost of 58 cents and a typical exchanging cost of 64 cents. STEPN Value Forecast 2025. In the event that the vertical pattern go on until 2025, it could reach $1.02 and GMT might benefit. In the event that the market encounters a downfall, the objective may not be met. GMT is supposed to exchange at a typical cost of 93 cents and a low of 87 cents in 2025. STEPN Value Expectation 2026. On the off chance that STEPN effectively helps market feeling among digital money devotees, the GMT coin cost could stay stable for the following 5 years. As per our projections, GMT will be green in 2026. The GMT is supposed to reach and outperform its unsurpassed high in 2026. In 2026, the virtual cash will be valued at $1.31, with a base cost of $1.17 and a typical cost of $1.23. STEPN Value Expectation 2027. After some broad gauging and specialized investigation, we gauge the GMT cost is supposed to cross a normal value level of $1.52 by 2027, with a base cost of $1.46 anticipated before the year's end. Moreover, GMT has a most extreme value worth of $1.61. STEPN Value Expectation 2028. Because representing things to come, organizations that are supposed to occur by 2028, we are expecting that a bullish pattern will keep carrying the typical cost to around $1.81. In the event that GMT figures out how to break the safe level in 2028, we could see a most extreme cost of $1.90. Neglecting to assemble the help GMT needs by 2028 could bring about a low of $1.75.